We've all heard it. Carbs are making you fat. Bread, pasta, and rice have become dietary villains. But is this negative reputation truly deserved? Are carbohydrates the sole reason behind unwanted weight gain? The truth is far more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Carbohydrates have become an easy target in our quest for a slimmer waistline. But to understand their role in weight management, we need to delve deeper into the science and separate fact from fiction. This video will explore the often misunderstood world of carbohydrates, examining their different types, how our bodies process them, and their impact on weight. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to incorporate carbs into a balanced diet without fearing the scale. Before we point fingers at carbohydrates, it's crucial to understand the fundamental principle of weight management: calories. Weight gain ultimately boils down to consuming more calories than your body burns. This simple equation, known as calories in versus calories out, holds true regardless of the specific foods you eat. When you consistently consume an excess of calories, whether from carbohydrates, fats, or proteins, your body stores the surplus energy as fat. Conversely, if you consume fewer calories than your body needs, you'll lose weight. Therefore, blaming carbohydrates alone for weight gain is an oversimplification. While a diet excessively high in calories from any source can lead to weight gain, carbohydrates themselves are not inherently fattening. The key lies in moderation and choosing the right types of carbs. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. They can be broadly classified into two main categories: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Understanding the difference between these types is essential for making informed dietary choices. Simple carbohydrates, as their name suggests, have a simple molecular structure. They are found in processed foods, sugary drinks, and some fruits. These carbs are quickly broken down by the body, leading to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are composed of longer chains of sugar molecules. They are found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. These carbs are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Simple carbohydrates, while providing a quick burst of energy, can be detrimental to weight management when consumed in excess. Their rapid digestion leads to fluctuations in blood sugar levels, which can trigger cravings, increase hunger, and promote fat storage. Imagine consuming a sugary drink. The sugar is quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, causing a spike in blood sugar. Your body responds by releasing insulin, a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from the blood. This process can lead to a subsequent crash in blood sugar, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugary foods. Moreover, consistently high insulin levels, often triggered by excessive simple sugar intake, can make your body less efficient at using fat for energy. This can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Complex carbs sustained energy, long-term benefits. Complex carbohydrates, unlike their simple counterparts, are your allies in maintaining a healthy weight. Their complex structure means they take longer to digest, providing a sustained release of energy and keeping you feeling satisfied for longer. Foods rich in complex carbs, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, are also packed with fiber. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, promoting satiety and aiding digestion. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the rapid spikes and crashes associated with simple carbs. Furthermore, complex carbs are often rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a wide range of health benefits. Choosing complex carbs over simple carbs can help you manage your weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve overall health. The body's processing plant, turning carbs into fuel. To understand how carbohydrates impact weight, it's essential to understand how our bodies process them. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, a type of sugar, during digestion. Glucose is the primary source of energy for our cells. When you consume carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose. This glucose enters your bloodstream, and your pancreas releases insulin. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter and provide energy. If your body doesn't need immediate energy, glucose is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen. Glycogen serves as a reserve energy source for later use. However, when glycogen stores are full, excess glucose is converted into fat and stored in adipose tissue. Debunking the myth when carbs don't equal weight gain. Numerous studies have challenged the notion that carbohydrates are the primary culprit behind weight gain. Research has shown that diets low in carbohydrates are no more effective for long-term weight loss than balanced diets that include healthy carbs. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that overweight and obese adults who followed either a low-carbohydrate diet or a low-fat diet for 1 year experienced similar weight loss. These findings suggest that calorie intake, rather than carbohydrate intake, is the primary driver of weight change. Furthermore, some studies have shown that consuming a diet rich in whole grains, a type of complex carbohydrate, can actually aid in weight management. Whole grains are high in fiber, which promotes satiety, reduces hunger, and may even help reduce the number of calories your body absorbs from food. The flip side. Can carbs contribute to weight gain? While carbohydrates are not inherently fattening, consuming them in excess, particularly simple carbohydrates, can contribute to weight gain. This is because excess carbohydrate intake can lead to chronically elevated insulin levels, which can promote fat storage. When you consistently consume large amounts of simple sugars, your body becomes efficient at storing fat and less efficient at burning it for energy. This can lead to a vicious cycle of weight gain, insulin resistance, and further cravings for sugary foods. Moreover, many processed foods that are high in simple carbohydrates are also high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and calories. These foods offer little nutritional value and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Striking a balance: healthy carbs for a healthy weight. The key to incorporating carbohydrates into a healthy diet is to choose wisely and consume them in moderation. Focus on complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, while limiting your intake of simple carbohydrates, such as sugary drinks and processed foods. A balanced plate should include a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. This approach provides your body with the energy and nutrients it needs without overloading on calories or promoting fat storage. Remember, carbohydrates are an essential part of a healthy diet. They provide energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. By choosing the right types of carbs and consuming them in moderation, you can enjoy their benefits without sacrificing your waistline. Expert opinions navigating the carbs and weight debate. The relationship between carbohydrates and weight gain is a complex one, and expert opinions on the topic vary. Some experts advocate for low-carbohydrate diets, while others emphasize the importance of choosing healthy carbs and consuming them in moderation. Dr. David Ludwig, a professor of nutrition at Harvard Medical School and a proponent of low-carbohydrate diets, argues that reducing carbohydrate intake can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce hunger, and promote weight loss. He suggests that high-carbohydrate diets can lead to insulin resistance, which can make it difficult to lose weight and increase the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, Dr. Walter Willett, a professor of epidemiology and nutrition at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, emphasizes the importance of choosing healthy carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. He argues that these foods provide essential nutrients and fiber, which can aid in weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Your plate, your power, making informed choices. Navigating the world of nutrition can feel overwhelming, especially with conflicting information about carbohydrates and weight gain. However, by understanding the basics of carbohydrate metabolism, the different types of carbs, and their impact on your body, you can make informed choices that support your health and weight goals. Remember that carbohydrates are not the enemy. They are an essential part of a healthy diet. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates in moderation, choose whole, unprocessed foods over refined grains and sugary drinks, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Ultimately, the best diet is one that is sustainable, enjoyable, and nourishes your body. By making gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits and incorporating healthy carbohydrates into a balanced diet, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight while enjoying the foods you love.